SerenDPT is very proud to have hosted the Smartdest Innovation Camp here at the Church of St. Cosmas and Damian in the Giudecca for the past 2 days. It was a great event with the first day dedicated to inspiring presentations and discussions about the issues that were discovered in the course of the SmartDest project in all the 8 cities that are participating in the project. And then the second day was more of the day of turning these inspirations into concrete solutions to real problems that the cities face.
It's been fantastic to be here facilitating at Innovation Camp, and yesterday listening to all the great contributions from thought leaders, other academics and policymakers around some of the challenges related to over-tourism and social exclusion in the cities that we have looked at and around the world. Today it's been really engaging to work with local students and others on ideas, on solutions to some of the problems that we identified over the course of the last 3 years in SmartDest. And I'm really looking forward to hearing some of the ideas that we're about to look at today.
Today our team proposed an idea in the field of data democracy and community empowerment, specifically a solution for a disconnection between local and tourism management.
I worked on a challenge of data democracy and community empowerment, and we were thinking about the solutions to connect locals with tourism destination management, and we proposed an idea of a new concept that is currently developing in the Web3 technology, so DAOs, so decentralized autonomous organizations, and how to give locals more decision-making power and ownership over the public money.
I was part of the focus group about housing. We were tackling issues about social exclusion of housing in the tourist city, and the works in the morning were very interesting, and we tackled several conceptual areas which should be addressed for employee solutions.
I really want to thank SmartDest and SerenDPT for providing this amazing experience of teamwork and critical thinking.